So guys, we're gonna do an oil change today on this car. You guys ready? So let's go get the jack. We also got our lineup right here. You know what I'm saying?
Biker gang, you know what I'm saying? Forget about the cars. Ow!
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna drain the oil in here.
But it has holes. Oh, the heck no, bro. You see this, bro? There's holes in this. Sealed up with flex tape. This is what you call premium MG auto work.
Okay, so we're gonna take the jack. Guys, so I'm about to lift the car up with this beautiful brand new jack.
Typically, where are the good jack points in a car?
Some like, you wanna show it?
Alright, sure.
Here's some metal. See this?
Yeah.
So you slide this under, and then you just lift the car. Did you hear that?
I don't know if you guys heard that, but he just said, "Would you kiss me for $500?"
Okay. Now I'm gonna lay down under the car. Alright guys, I'm going under. Just pray for me that it doesn't fall while I'm there. Because if it does, it'll be a banger of a video.
You guys hear that?
Look, we got fans.
Shoot, look, it's our fans. You guys subscribe to Me Out Gang? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey! You guys wanna learn how to do an oil change?
You guys wanna learn how to do an oil change?
Yeah.
Guys, you see this right here? Are you recording sideways?
No.
There, that's the ball right there. So we gotta loosen that, so watch out. Okay. So what we gotta do
He's loosening up the
Bismillah.
But it's hard to fix the car for you guys. Can I please record? Bro, this is that.
Alright guys, so you're gonna see the oil all come out. Hopefully this thing is big enough.
Oh,
It's so cold, bro. It's ice cold. Bro, the car.
Bro, it looks like you have blood all over your hands.
Guys, this is what you call a good maintenance on your
I see the
car.
oil.
You
The
see
oil.
it?
The black.
Hey class, you guys see the oil coming out?
The black. I'm not your
Yes.
class.
Yeah, you're my class. They put 2 screws here so we can take this off. Take
Oh, it's like a flap.
What did you say?
I don't think
Did you say
You guys see the oil filter is right there. Guys,
Am I supposed to record sideways?
You are. So I'm about to get the filter out.
I'm watching out, bro.
Oh, look, it's spilling right there. Wow, look at Infinity's engineering.
That's Nissan, bro. Frick Nissan.
He said my auntie got a Nissan.
Bro, what is that?
Teacher got a BMW.
No way.
Yeah.
But
I can't even see.
I saw it.
you know, usually, like, when they record videos, they don't record all this. But, you know, we're different.
So, we tightened that bolt, and now it's time to put on the oil filter. So what you gotta do is hand tighten. Yo! Duty has come for us.
Yo, it's all on his pants.
Baby has came for us.
It went on the bottom.
Okay, so right now, putting in the filter. After that little accident.
Take some of the kids away.
The oil goes in right here.
Why are you lying? It goes in here.
I don't know, it goes in here. Oh my god, these guys are stupid as hell, man.
Bro, chill out,
Bro, chill out. You're getting me all naughty, man.
Why are you recording? What you gotta do is shh.
Oh, yes.
It was good. I'm not even gonna lie.
Bro, this looks like cooking oil, bro. Make some.
Be a good.
Wait.
You guys better subscribe before Diddy comes for you.